Let's divide this rational expression here by using the quotient, the derivative of a quotient, which is f prime times g minus g prime times f over g to the second power, right? So let's go for it. So we have f prime of x will give us what? So what is f prime times g? So f prime is what? That's the derivative of this function here. So which is going to be what? 3x to the second power minus 2x plus 0, right? So that'll be the derivative of that times g, which is x to the second power plus 1. Then minus the derivative of the bottom one, which is going to give us what? 2x plus 0 times x power 3 minus x squared plus 1. And the whole over x squared plus 1 to the second power. How interesting, right? So this one's going to give us what then? Okay, so we can, multiply here, use the Fourier method. So 3x squared times x squared is going to give us what? 3x to the fourth. Then 3x squared times 1 is going to give us what? 3x to the second power. Negative 2x times x to the second power is going to give us what? Negative 2x to the third power. Negative 2x times 1 is going to give us what? Negative 2x. All right? And then this one we can already apply the negative sign. So it's negative 2x times x to the third power. It's going to give us negative 2x to the fourth power. Okay? Then negative 2x times negative x to the second power. That will give us what? Plus 2x to the third power. And then negative 2x times 1 is going to give us what? Negative 2x. And then the whole over x to the second power plus 1 to the second power. We can also work on that one as well, okay? So because that one is just the same thing as having what? X squared plus 1 times x squared plus 1. That's the same thing. So that would give us what if we multiply? So x squared times x squared is going to give us what? X to the fourth power. And then x squared times 1 is going to give us what? X to the second power. Then we have 1 times x squared, 1 squared, 1 times 1 is 1, okay? Or we can just go, quickly and then work it out as well, okay? We don't have to go through this one, okay? So this is equal to what? So we got to combine like terms. So 3x squared to the fourth power minus 2x to the fourth power will give us what? 1x to the fourth power. How about the x power 3? Negative 2x power 3, positive 2x power 3. Both of them we cross out, nothing to do about it. And then we have what? 3x to the second power. So that's plus 3x to the second power. Then we have negative 2x. Negative 2x is going to give us what? Negative 4x. Then that is over. Then we can combine like terms also over here, these two. So we end up with x to the fourth on top plus 2x to the second power plus 1. Can we reduce anything here? No. Ladies and gentlemen, this will be a final answer. Voila.